Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to ask questions on your Instagram story. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Now swipe left to go to your post or story section. Here you can select any photos or even have a blank space. So here on the top, you can see this icon on the second. Click on it. Here you'll be able to see the option of questions. Tap on it. So here this is the place where you ask any type of question. Click on done. Now adjust this question and then tap on your story. So now others will be able to answer the question and reply to your story accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps.